Assalamualaikum. Welcome back in the course of how to use Eclipse. Today we will talk about installation of Eclipse, its prerequisites. For the installation of Java Eclipse IDE, we must first install the Java Java Runtime Environment. For this, the link is given here. After the installation of Java RE, you are required to install Eclipse IDE. The link for this is given here, and also the link of both of these are in description below. In next lecture, we will create our first project in Eclipse. Thanks for watching.